Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have the 2022 Infiniti QX60 Sensory. I've done the Pure, I've done the Luxe. Now it's time to take a look at the Sensory and the Autograph. Absolutely gorgeous. This one has the Vision, Tow Pack, and Cargo Pack. Majestic white over graphite, yeah. Majestic white is a great color. Absolutely gorgeous. Massaging seats. Bose Performance Series sound. Panoramic sunroof. But without further ado, let's take this thing for a drive, as the real big difference is in the driving experience. So QX60 still has the 3.5 liter NA V6. I believe it's 5 extra horsepower from 290 to 295. Biggest difference is the 9-speed automatic. Gone are the days of the CVT. We have an official torque converter auto 9-speed automatic, and it just adds a much better feel to this car, both in terms of luxury car feel and sporty driving experience. I believe this one here stickers for $63 and change, and honestly, it's worth every penny. It just drives so much better than the previous gen. You can change the center display. You have the home menu. You just hit change meter view, and it changes the display. I do love the feel of the steering wheel. The leather that's used, oh, it feels super luxurious. That's awesome. Do have virtual rear view mirror. blind spot monitoring. And you do have Pro Assist with steering assist. Can of course close the gap. Not bad at all. It's actually one of the better active cruise controls that I've used. One thing I just noticed, the turn signal is super quiet. I can't tell you guys how impressed I am with this. Like, when I talk about this is like a 3-generation jump from the previous QX60, that was a good car. I liked it. But it lacked that luxury feel. Oh man, this is like, even the Pure, the base model feels incredible to drive. They have absolutely stepped up the game for 3-row crossovers. Before I drove these, I was like, yeah, Telluride's the best 3-row on the market, hands down. I don't know, this one is a bit more expensive, but it's that much better. It's just that good. Plain and simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.